Children, today we will write number 13 in our classwork book on page number 73. 1, 3, 13. Here T is written. T means tens. And here O is written. O means ones. And 13 is 2-digit number. So we will write 1 below T and 3 below O. 1, 3, 13. Now let us start writing. Starting from the middle of the box, we will make a standing line and touch to the bottom line. Now we will write 3. First we will make a reverse C curve. Again we will make a reverse C curve and touch to the bottom line, and we will go little bit up. 1, 3, 13. Now let us write again. Starting from the middle of the box, make a standing line and touch to the bottom line. 1 and 3. How we will write? Make a reverse C curve. Again make a reverse C curve and touch to the bottom line and go little bit up. 3, 1, 3, 13. So this way we will write number 13. 1 below T and 3 below O. 1, 3, 13. Again write number 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Again we will write 1, 3, 13. Children, we will write slowly and with good handwriting. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Again we will write 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Children, this way with good handwriting you will complete page number 73 in your classwork book.